Hello guys, in this video we will be discussing about why you should join network marketing. So आज हम इस वीडियो में जानेंगे कि आपको नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग क्यों ज्वाइन करनी चाहिए. So in this module we will be covering all the positive aspects of network marketing. So आज हम इसमें कवर करेंगे working smarter not harder, leverage and duplication, passive income versus active income, low capital investment, low operating cost, part-time commitment still works, support system, creating positive cash flow and creating wealth. So first of all हम देखते हैं कि why you should join network marketing. So guys, it is important to remember that you are going into business first and foremost. In this instance, this type of business you are considering is a network marketing business. Network marketing business each have their own opportunities. They can be incredibly rewarding on many levels and as challenging as any mainstream business. Now, first of all, the first positive aspect of network marketing is working smarter, not harder. So, there was a time when simply working hard means that you had the opportunity to get ahead of the average person who perhaps had a more relaxed approach to work. Today is simply not the case. Although a strong work ethic will always be important, it is no longer only the ingredient. Success is about being smarter and not often doing things differently to the way we would have done in the past. Network marketing allows you to do just that, while at the same time giving you the opportunity to associate with the successful people who understand this principle and who have made it work for them. Now, second point, leverage and duplication. Leverage and duplication are simply the ability to leverage your time and to duplicate your efforts. Coming to the third point, that is passive income versus active income. So, active income is the best described as having to continually work at trading hour for 1000 in order to maintain that income. Passive income means that in the time you don't have to physically do the work, but you can still maintain the income. Given the choice, most of the people would prefer passive income over active income. Passive income gives the recipient choice. They are not tired down of their working hours. And network marketing is the great opportunity to establish income. Which type of income? Passive income. Many people build successful network marketing businesses now enjoy the passive income they bring. To get that point required effort and commitment, but the end of the result is worth it. Now coming to the fourth point, that is low capital investment. For many of those who dream of owning their own business, a major hurdle to be overcome is the cost and the risk associated with buying an existing business or setting up in the first place. If a person goes on successfully develop their network marketing business, in the return on such a low capital investment can be significant. Now coming to the next point, that is low operating cost. It can be on your mood. If you want to invest, you can, but if you do not want, you can do on your will. Okay, so this is the major positive aspect of network marketing that is meant. Okay, now coming to the next, that is part-time job. Usually the network marketing can act as your part-time job or full-time job depending on the time, but most of the people use it as a part-time job. So it can be your part-time job. You can work on your will and it can give you additional financial support that you can earn good income. Now coming to the next point, that is, these are the last 3 points, that is support system, creating positive cash flow and creating wealth. So in a research it has been found that average earning man is not satisfied with his income. So he is always in search of a support system. To that, network marketing provides the support. It gives the positive cash flow, it creates wealth. So overall, we have discussed all these positive aspects of network marketing. In upcoming videos, we will be discussing about the passive income and active income, and we will move ahead with our tutorial of the network marketing. And if you like these videos, then do subscribe and hit the like button, and thanks for watching.